Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to double space in Google Docs. So let's say I want to do it for this paragraph or even the entire document. I'll show you both actually. So we first highlight this paragraph and look at your toolbar. Okay, if you don't see this toolbar, make sure, for example, this one is not in full screen. So all you need to do is press escape. Okay, if it's in full screen like that, press escape, you'll see this toolbar. Now, once we have this highlighted, look at this option right here. Okay, we see two arrows pointing up and down. Go ahead and click on this with the three horizontal lines. So here I can change this to double. So this is the double paragraph spacing. If I undo this, there you go, Control Z to undo, right? All I need to do this same thing for the entire document. Of course, you can highlight the whole thing like this manually, but if you have like hundreds of pages, that is counterintuitive. What you can do is just press Control plus A on your keyboard. It highlights everything. You come here and just change everything to double spacing. As you can see, it's really that easy and simple.